In today's video, you'll learn how to deal with loans in Xero and manage them properly inside your accounting system. Handling loans the right way helps keep your financial records accurate and gives you a clear picture of what you owe and how repayments are affecting your business. Let's go step by step so you can set everything up correctly and use it with confidence. To begin, log in to your Xero dashboard and head to the top menu. From there, click on Accounting. This section contains all the core financial tools you'll be working with. From the drop-down menu, select Chart of Accounts. This is where all your accounts are stored and managed. Once you're inside the Chart of Accounts, look for the option that says Add Account and click on it. This is where you'll create a dedicated account for your loan. Now it's time to set up the loan account properly. For the account type, select Liabilities. This is important because a loan represents money you owe, and in accounting terms, that falls under liabilities. Next, fill in the account details. Give your account a clear and descriptive name, something like Bank Loan or Business Loan 2025. This makes it easier to identify later, especially if you have multiple loans. You can also assign an account code and add a description if needed. Keeping these details organized will help when reviewing reports or working with an accountant. After entering all the required information, click Save. Your loan account is now created and ready to use. With the account set up, the next step is to start recording transactions related to the loan. When you receive the loan amount, you'll record it as money coming into your bank account, but it should be categorized as the loan account you just created. This ensures it's tracked as a liability, not as income. When making repayments, it's important to split the transaction correctly. A portion of the payment usually goes toward reducing the loan balance, which should be allocated to the loan account. The other portion, which is the interest, should be recorded as an expense under an interest account. This separation keeps your financial reports accurate and helps you understand how much you're paying in interest over time. As you continue using Xero, always make sure that every loan-related transaction is assigned to the correct account. This includes additional borrowings, repayments, and any associated fees. Consistency here is key to maintaining clean and reliable records. It's also a good idea to review your loan balance regularly. You can do this by running reports or checking the account directly in your chart of accounts. This helps ensure everything matches your loan statements and avoids discrepancies later. By following these steps, creating a liability account, recording incoming funds correctly, and splitting repayments between principal and interest, you'll have full control over how loans are managed in Xero. That's it for this tutorial. With this setup, you can keep your loan records organized and your financial data accurate. Thanks for watching, and keep your accounting structured and up to date.